Yeah, well, firstly, I think it's important for us to just emphasize that as a province, we have adopted the concept of smart mobility. It integrates us into the global conversations on where mobility is going. So to that extent, we are looking at also using our competitive edge and advantage that we have, which is the richness of the sun in our country, in the continent, to make sure that we build new sources of energy, harvesting the sun, and to a large extent wind, so that we re-engineer the economy. We change the structure and architecture of the economy in the sense that renewables, if we were to do them and do them at the right scale, pace, with the required level of decisiveness, we are able to solve even the problem of electricity supply. What does that mean in real terms? If you look at the value chain of smart solutions using renewables, it tells you that we have an opportunity to invest in production of particularly solar panels. Currently, we're importing solar panels from other parts of the world. We have not created internal capacity to do that. Now, if we were to just invest in particularly the production of solar panels, we will be able to support creation and building of solar farms. That's the first thing. The second thing is that the electrical vehicles also need electricity to charge, and you can use renewables. Hydrogen, which is one of the products that's been championed globally, also produced through the electrolyzer. It requires also to be powered by smart solution. This Friday, as part of the October Transport Month and part of the Smart Mobility Conference, we are launching Gauteng on the Move. This is what I call the public transport integrator. So there will be a Gauteng on the Move app, which any person, a visitor to our country, can go in there and look at what are the public transport options that exist, at which points, on which roads, to which areas. The other issue is that we need to create trust. We need vehicles that members of the public can go into knowing that this car has the Gauteng on the Move sticker. It means the details of the owner, the details of the driver are well known by government. So through your phone, you should be able to read whether that sticker is genuine and valid or not, and the data will come on your phone. This is not rocket science. This is easy to do once we have concluded generating data. What we really want is, in simple terms, build a public transport system that's integrated, that people can trust. We also want to introduce another element of the integrator, which is the automatic fare management collection technology, in which now people can use one card with what is called interoperability capabilities, so that it can be used on a taxi, on e-hailing, a train, on any other mode of public transport. You can use the same card. You don't have to be carrying cash, get change and all that. You simply take and go. So that technology exists in the market. Gauteng on the Move is the best way to give the commuting public a system that they can trust. We also need media houses to start appreciating green news, to promote news that protect the climate and the environment. We need, as a country and as a province, to roll out charging infrastructure, charging stations. We have mandated the Transport Authority of Gauteng, TEC, to use our own capacity to set up and roll out infrastructure for electrical vehicles. For example, we have already directed that all Gautrain stations should have electrical vehicle charging capacity. Once we can roll out on the network of the Gautrain from the city of Joburg up to Tshwane and everywhere we're going to expand Gautrain, if you check the radius of Gauteng, you will be able to move back and forth and you know where you can go charge. So the big challenge is really the rollout of infrastructure, and we as government need to take the lead and also buy electrical vehicles so that the public and communities can see electrical vehicles are a way to go. Government is buying these cars, government is using the cars, and there's stations on which to recharge. Once we can do that as government, we will provide leadership and guidance to the communities, and again build trust in the renewables and save the climate, create a new economy that's sustainable, that's smart.